this tutorial, we present an example of how to structure a toolchain for analyzing aspects of the charging demands for electric vehicles in the Citiwatts platform. We will guide you step by step through the process of utilizing the available data and calculation modules to analyze this field in your area. The Citiwatts platform contains two calculation modules for aspects of eMobility planning. The first one helps you to derive the density of electric vehicles and their charging demands. This module works on rather high level in the NUTS 2 region, to for instance assess commuting between cities and regions, based on different methodologies. Sets of assumptions and default data are included in the calculation module, so you can start right away. You can of course also adapt these assumptions to make them more specific to a local case. The output is data that can be used by itself or in other components of the platform, as for instance the calculation module for energy system analysis. It can also be used as input for the second calculation module in this field, which is called charging demands. Here we investigate how to use local renewable resources to cover the charging demands based on different assumptions that you can vary in scenarios. As for all the other calculation modules in the tool, the outcomes of the calculation modules can be used by themselves, but do create most additional value if you compile them and use them in further analysis. For this we have prepared an example and a scenario assessment spreadsheet, where you can see how to use input from one module as input for the next and make comprehensive assessments based on these data. This toolchain has also been presented in more details in the webinar. Here we also dive into exercises to demonstrate selected features of the platform. Please find the recording of this webinar in the linked video.